So hello everyone, welcome to Not Wealth, and today we are going to start a new life with trading. And so new life begin with trading. So the market will be open in 10 seconds. So countdown will be started right now. 2, 1 and market open. So Nifty 50 have already taken the highest market in India history, which is 22,000. And let's also I started my new life, so I hope this will be going so well and good. So let's begin. Sorry. So Wipro have already taken 511, and IT sector is really going upward. LTI Mindtree 6,000 something. Okay. टाटा कंज्यूमर 1174 और ये काफ़ी अच्छे जा रहा है. तो चलिए ठीक है, बट मैं यहाँ पे एक स्टॉक सर्च करने वाला हूँ, ठीक है, जो कि है, एक सेकेंड. तो मैं यहाँ पे सर्च कर रहा हूँ यूनी रॉयल. ओके, तो so there are two stocks that I'm going to search, and the first one is Uni Royal Marine, which is currently maybe trading on 14. Yes, let me check it again. And the second one is Rally Tech. Okay, and is currently trading on 18.74. okay, so these are the stock that have chances to cross the. Okay, so please forgive me for my bad and broken English, but it will be definitely going to improve while running and making video on this. So yes, will be under 500, so let's do it. And I buy a quantity of 30 and let's place the order. The second one is Uni Royal. Okay, and the trigger price will be 11, and quantity I am going to buy again 100, 200, 330. Yes, okay. Let's okay. Okay. So I'm unable to set Uni Royal GTT. I don't know why it's not taking. And I started investing in COVID in lockdown, and then I stopped because so currently I'm trying to sell RHFL, but it's nearly impossible because it's a penny stock, and also it uh, according to rule and law, this stock is secure because of liquidity, because in this stock the liquidity is very low and very um, problematic. That's why penny stock have a lot of trouble. When you buy, you easily buy, but when you try to sell, it's very difficult to sell any penny stock because a lot of trouble in it. So that's why I try to buy or get a good type of a stock, okay, which have good fundamental. I buy it is a stock very early, maybe in lockdown or maybe in 2021, I don't remember exactly, but yes, this stock give me 200%, but let's see if I'm able to sell, then I will be getting profit, or if didn't sell, then I'm in loss. Okay, so let's check. So tree turbine, these are the level, and already 411 it's touched, and it's nearly difficult to break out. Let's see. I didn't think because the candlestick and the seller are heavy. If someone who already enroll or get at the price of 407, then he must be in a huge point of benefits. 3 to 5% already it's giving, so that's a lot. And if it break down to 411, then it go up to 412, and the upcoming target will be 414. Okay, so these are the level, but I didn't think that it will be break. So let's see what's going to happen. So it is starting going downward. So as you look at here, 1 stick, 2 stick, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9 sticks are showing downfall in 1 minute. So next stock is IRFC. So let's check out IRFC stock. It's currently trading on 126. Okay, this stock is overvalued, I think, because it's already run up a lot. Maybe from 228, maybe it's a consolidate. So next stock is I'm going with Hudco. So let's see Hudco. This stock is also currently trading at 129, and the stock shape, look at this shape. I'm trying to draw or show you. Check this one. Okay, wait a minute. Yes, this U line. Okay, are you able to see the ocean pattern here? It forming. This means a stock will be really all. This stock is already breakout, so it's going to much, maybe 140 next target, and the upcoming target it 80. Okay, so maybe let's see what's going to happen, but I think for me this stock is overvalued, because I don't think that I can enter already in a bullish stock. I don't have a lot of money, so that's why I avoid this one. When it comes to at the price of 70, 80 or 90, then I will thinking about buy. Okay, so this is my learning process. Okay, and I'm showing you my learning process and my life. So this is all it is. Okay, and that's all for today. Have a good night. See ya. And not good night, it's morning. So that's all. I spend only 1 hour, 1 or 2 hour. I decide to spend in morning. That's all, because I have also a lot of work to do. I do everything alone, video editing, everything alone, so it's impossible to give everything to every time management, proper time management, so that will be a problem for me. But let's see what's going to happen, because I have a zero source of income, so I'm trying to generate one or two stream of source of income, so I can depend upon that, and I can hire someone, and I can do other stuff like video editing. I can hire someone and he's responsible for my video editing and other aspect, and then I can really work on myself and improving my skills, sharpening my skills. So that's what I'm thinking about. So this is all about to this is the day one of my learning process in a stock market. So meet you next day at day 2. Okay, so I'm trying to maintain a playlist of 31 days, so let's see, let's hope, and there is nothing much more greater than hope. Please invest safely, don't invest blindly by any of them means any of them. Okay, do your own research, do your own study, okay, and then invest in anything, because it take a lot of things, and when you get in loss, then you are already get in a too much travel, because you have to take care of your family, friend, child, your own health. Okay, so that's why I'm saying that. I know everyone is busy, everyone doing their stuff, but if you are investing in stock market or trading, then please be careful, because it may damage your whole entire life, and it also put you in a debt. So please think before investing. Have a good day. See ya.